Are you looking to buy a new power bank and you do not wish to spend too much for it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Unix power bank, which is a 12,000 milliamp hour battery. It does what it's supposed to do and it does not break your bank. Now, full disclosure, I did not buy this product. I was given this product for free, but my opinions about this product are in no way influenced by that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, Unix is an Indian brand that has been in the market for a while now, and they solely aim at providing good quality products at a low price. So if you are in the market for new products, feel free to check out their website and their Instagram page. The link will be down in the description below. Now, opening up the package, we have the power bank and a micro USB cable. So you can use it to charge your power bank or any device that supports micro USB charging. It's a compact wire. You can keep your device close to the power bank while charging it. As you can see, it's micro USB and a normal USB. The power bank is pretty light and has a nice, neat texture to it. It has the details present down here below, the trademark. Now, this power bank is made in India, which is of great importance in our current situations. It is pretty rugged and durable and light at the same time, which is an added bonus. Now, the power bank has a single micro USB A slot for charging the power bank, as well as two ports for charging two devices simultaneously. The 12,000 milliamp hour size of this battery will help you charge your devices multiple times before it dies out. The power bank has a button on the side with 4 indicator lights which tell you the current charge of your power bank. Each light indicates 25% charge, so you have 25%, 50%, 75% and full charge, that's 100%. You will be able to charge your iPhone 11 Pro Max 3 times roughly before your power bank dies out, which is a lot of charge considering the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a full day battery life. As you can see, the lights. Now, the price for this 12,000 milliamp hour power bank is only rupees 600. Yes, that's right, 600 for a product that is made in India. What more could you ask for? Earphones, headsets, portable speakers. Just click on the link in the description and go to the website and check out the products. Unix India has got you covered. And that's it for today. If you got what you were looking for, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with a friend who you think it may help out if someone's looking for a power bank. And I'll see you in the next one.